Imagine your computer system as a fortress, standing tall and proud on a hill. It holds valuable data, your digital treasures, which are essential to your daily operations. This fortress has walls, gates, and guards to keep threats out, much like firewalls and security protocols. But even the strongest fortress needs regular maintenance and reinforcements to stay secure. That's where Microsoft's Patch Tuesday comes in, providing essential updates. It's like a monthly delivery of building materials and security upgrades for your digital fortress, ensuring it remains strong. December 2024's Patch Tuesday is crucial, marking an important date for system security. It addresses over 98 vulnerabilities, each one a potential threat. Some are just cracks in the wall, easily fixed with minor updates. Others are more serious, like unguarded gates or weak points in the defenses, requiring immediate attention. Ignoring these weaknesses leaves your fortress vulnerable to attack, risking your valuable data. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest security tips and updates. This month's Patch Tuesday is like a treasure chest of fixes. Microsoft tackled 98 vulnerabilities. This includes 9 critical vulnerabilities that demand immediate attention. These vulnerabilities affect various Windows components. These include the operating system, Edge browser, and Office applications. Each vulnerability represents a potential entry point for attackers. One particularly nasty vulnerability is CVE 2024-49138. This is a zero-day vulnerability. This means attackers knew about it and exploited it before Microsoft could release a patch. CVE 2020-449,138 targets, a flaw in the Windows kernel. This is a core part of the operating system. Exploiting this vulnerability could give an attacker complete control over your system. Section 4. Beware the RC dragons and EOP skeletons. This Patch Tuesday also addresses several critical remote code execution vulnerabilities, often abbreviated as RCE. These are like dragons attacking your fortress from afar, causing chaos and destruction without ever being seen. RCE vulnerabilities allow attackers to execute malicious code on your system without any physical access, making them extremely dangerous. Elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, or EOP, are like skeletons sneaking past your defenses, unnoticed and silent. They allow attackers to gain higher privileges on your system, escalating their access and control. This lets them bypass security measures and access sensitive data, putting your most valuable information at risk. Section 5. Keep your guard up. Tips for staying safe. In today's digital age, staying safe online is more important than ever. So, how do you keep your digital fortress safe? First, install updates immediately. Don't delay applying patches. These updates often contain critical security fixes. Think of them as urgent repairs for your fortress walls. Next, enable automatic updates. This way, you won't miss any important patches. Let your system automatically download and install patches. This ensures your defenses are always up to date. This ensures you have the latest protection. Also, stay informed. Regularly check for security updates and advisories. Keep an eye out for security advisories and news from Microsoft and other trusted sources. Knowledge is power when it comes to cybersecurity. Remember, security is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time setup. Stay vigilant and keep your digital fortress strong. Regularly review your security settings and update them as needed. Your valuable data depends on it. Protect it with the best practices and stay ahead of potential threats.